learning about railroad, streets, marketplaces, visiting gambling centers, committing sexual offences, shoplifting, stealing, etc. Juveniles may do such activities singly or through a gap. And the methodology of the study section of the chapter presents a broad methodological framework used in achieving the personal objectives of the present study entitled The Study of the Impact of Railway Interventions and Juvenile Delinquency in the North Coastal Region of Andhra Pradesh. Broad methodology and various sources from which data have been collected and methods of data analysis are also mentioned in this chapter. The purpose of the content is to discuss the research methodology which is followed by researchers for this study. Reasons or choice of the topic. The researchers strongly believe that most of the crime related to problems in any society are arising due to social inequalities, as delinquency itself is socially inadequate adjustment on the part of the individual to different situations. The factors which go to make up these difficult situations together with the mental and physical conditions which influence an individual's capacity to adjust constitute the causes of juvenile delinquency. Coming to my objectives of the study, the main objective is to bring out the causes for the juvenile delinquency, which is a social problem. Categorize the children for the purpose of identifying nature as juvenile delinquency. To understand the impact of social conditions over children turning into juvenile delinquency. To bring out the importance of existing acts to deal with the juvenile delinquency. To study the provisions and implementation of Juvenile Justice Act 2015. To bring out the role played by NGOs to deal with the problem. To bring out the essentials. We need to change the existing patterns of punishments to be awarded to the children in the light of Nirbhaya case. Research is a descriptive and empirical in nature because the primary data was collected through survey method through fact-finding techniques such as questionnaires and paper interviews. The empirical research relies on experience or observation alone, often without due record for systematic field. The main purpose of this research is to obtain information concerning the current status of the phenomena to describe the study of legal interventions on juvenile delinquency in the North Coastal Region of Andhra Pradesh. With respect to the rules or conditions in a situation, descriptive research involves hypothesis, formulation, and testing. Area of this study. The study is mainly focused on the North Coastal Andhra Uttarakhand sub-region, consisting of 3 North Coastal districts of the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh, the Vijayanagaram, Srikakulam, and Visakhapatnam district. The region is in the extreme northeast of Andhra Pradesh. The region is situated to a distance by Kandivalpeta, Hamsakara, and Bodha at certain stretches of their courses. And tools for investigation and data collection. Data was collected both primary and secondary sources. The researcher has personally visited an administered questionnaire schedule and collected first-hand information through personal interviews. The views of socialists and professors across universities like SPU, Nagarjuna University, University of Hyderabad, and JNU Delhi. The various libraries were visited to collect secondary sources in the form of literature. The Juvenile Justice Board, JJB, members of Uttarakhand